Hey, Miss Nosebleed here, your English teacher. What can we learn today? Today, we are going to talk about the expression, quite the character. Have you heard of this expression before? What does it mean? The expression quite the character means to be unusual in some way. It can also mean to have an interesting, unique personality. It can be negative or positive. Now, let's look at how it's used in a conversation. Conversation example number 1. Have you met John? He is quite the character. Why? He's full of jokes. He never stops talking, and he's so funny. Never a dull moment with him. So based on this conversation, John is described as quite the character, but it's in a positive note. Now let's look at the second conversation. Conversation example number 2. Did you meet the new boss yet? Not yet, but I have a meeting with him tomorrow. He's really quiet and serious, but all the women like him. He must be quite the character. So in this conversation, they're talking about the new boss, that he's quite the character because he's unusually quiet and serious. It's not really negative, but it's a little bit weird or absurd. But you can also use the expression quite the character when you're describing someone like that. All right? Okay. Now it's your turn. Answer this question. Have you ever met an interesting person? Describe him or her. Answer in the comment section using the expression. This is a great way to practice using the expression we've learned today. Just type in your sentence and I'll be sure to respond to each one, okay? Don't be shy, I'm here to help you. Thanks, guys! That's it, short and sweet. You know what to do. Got any questions? I'll see what I can do. See you next time.